everything's about to. Oh hell no, brother! Hella slowing down.
Yeah, hella slowing down too.
Get it moving on, bruh. Oh shit, they're pretty neck to neck.
Neck and neck. What is that fucking
V6 you think, or is it a
arrow?
SS?
Arrow.
Yeah.
Maybe look like he's gabbing him though.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh damn, you saw them hit that shit?
I'll go Great American if anything.
Really? With a girl? Hell no.
Could be hella fun.
Oh, if you knew her, yeah, but like if it's a first date,
Oh
nah.
no, first no.
Because it was a first date type shit. Golfland's a good place for a first date.
Why?
I don't know, because you're just playing golf, bro. You're just chilling.
Not dudes to all crazy spending all the money too.
It's not even about the money too, but like you guys just be chilling and shit. Like there's nothing crazy, you know? Nothing. Oh, made it to Golfland. Made it to Golfland.
Almost killed it.
But you guys lucky went flying though. That shit was funny. We made it alive. When was that?
Bro,
If you know, you know.
was texting and driving. The whole 5 yards. They had laser tag?
That's DWT.
Bro, huh?
You swear? Look, you can't even see this shit from here. Go over there, go over there. Really? Yeah, and then come back after. Look, I'm a hole in one, bro. This nigga's ball's right there. Nice with it. Oh, you're trash. I actually thought he was about to get that. Oh, you're hella for it, bro. Oh no. That's a deck, bro. That's a deck. Oh shit, it's me. Look, I'm gonna put it right here because I'm gonna make it.
Get the camera hella hard.
That's fucked up, bro.
Fuck, bro, we're all gonna get 3.
No, I was. Oh yeah, probably.
Bro, what the fuck?
This is harder than I remember, bro. Yes! Go, Miss Ayer.
Oh, I did 3. This is my 3rd lap I missed.
Oh, you're mad. Oh, okay.
Keep going, keep going.
Where's mine now?
Go.
Yeah.
I think 3, what's that paper?
Who's right here, bro? Oh shit, that was. Fuck, I hit yours. Yeah, my little thing. Oh, no.
No, you're the light blue.
Never mind. Yeah.
How the fuck? Who the fuck is orange? That's too bad.
I'm orange.
You're right. Hey, I'll grab him after this. Let's go! Bro, what do you guys at? 4?
Yeah, I'm at 3. I did the same shit.
No, yeah, 3 for 3. Bro, you guys are ass. Nigga, don't even hit. Ooh! How much was that? 4? 4 or 5?
4.
Just do 4. This is 5. Okay, there you go, 5. Last one.
This is again?
Okay. Second hole with the elephant, bro. Oh, hell no. You have to hit it right there. Redo. Oh, it's all in one. You're mad. Who hit that? Me? You swear you're good.
fuck? What do you got fucked up? I can go over the bump.
He swears. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. That's one. Alright, go.
It's me, nigga.
Oh, it's you? Hey, don't forget about the cameraman, bro. Don't forget. He's too busy recording, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Oh. Yeah, you're fired.
8 on that one? I did 3.
Money.
Money. 3.
Oh! Oh, what?
You went out and you went back in.
Look, you get a hole in one. Whoa!
Hey, yo. It's recording.
Bro, back up.
You got caught laughing, bro.
Hey, chill. Hole in one.
Yeah, hijo.
That's how you do it, Ramon. Yeah. What the fuck? Y'all said let's take a selfie. Yeah, Donovan's swearing. I think I can hit this shit. Oh! Oh, you made it!
What the fuck?
Made it. Good shit. Woo! Imagine. Woo! Fuck! Can't relate. I actually did. Woo! No. He hit it. And I was gonna get you the cool Lego. Following your fucking club. Oh hell no. Lisa, go home, bro. Go home. You ready? This
Niggas better bounce it all the way over there. Watch.
No, watch. Check it. You ready?
No.
Oh my god, fucking color. Look at right behind you.
No, that was it.
Nah, that was it. That was it. That was it. Nah, that was it, nigga.
That's money. That's money.
Oh!
That's money, bro. That's money. Let's go.
Yeah, he made it.
Made it?
Yeah.
What the fuck? That's money.
Let's get him.
He's about to say the paper box.
Fucking done. I'm gonna lose my head out of here.
You gonna go to the bumper cars? Yeah. Dude, I don't feel so cringe on them, bro.
Hella slow.
Should we? I say fuck it, let's go on it, bro. Yeah, we all got them, bro.
Go.
Let's just go, bro. I made it. I can't go again. Oh.
Wait, read it.
Bro, what?
What the fuck?
Gotta hit these ones hard.
Donovan's such a rage monster. Go.
Man, I want to see that shit go all the way around.
Yeah, you gotta hit it harder than that, bro.
Loki swear.
What?
I try not to. My mom told me not to.
Oh my god. Donovan's swear.
Oh hell no, Lisa, what is that?
That's a reason.
That shakes on you, bro. Hey, Loki's already shakes on him.
Boba's on him, right?
Oh yeah, we still got Bobas though.
The wind distracted me.
Oh hell no, bro.
That's actually oh no.
Oh hell no.
How the fuck are you supposed to hit this shit?
Like this, Yasa will show you. Bro, hit it harder. Oh, there you go. That scared me, low-key. You hit it too soft. Oh, what the? Oh, that's in, bro. That's in. That's in. Oh. That was pretty close, bro. Hey, that was pretty close. Nah, almost. You about to hit me, bro? You fuck, I hate you for that one. You got the same color as me.
I couldn't choose, dude.
You got yellow.
Yeah, you should got yellow.
Today, yeah? Oh, that's not even
Turn back.
He said third.
Who's got this shake? Wait, let's watch him real quick.
What the fuck?
Bruh, no! Yeah,
I was moving it. You moved me. I moved you.
yeah, I moved you because you moved me first.
Who's who?
I'm this one right here, the savage one that's about to make it. POV again. Actually, matter of fact, look, I'm going like this. And then you're gonna go over there. Check it.
Oh, and you do you again. I'm sorry, fuck. What? I haven't seen one of those.
Oh, that's money, bro. Oh, I'm nice with it, bro. I'm actually nice.
Don't dab me up.
No, I'm not dapping you up. I'm just, oh, dap. I'll dap the people up.
What the fuck? Hey, nigga.
Dude, that's payback for all the times y'all niggas fucking grab my ass, bro. For real.
Nigga, I'm sorry you're fucking thick, nigga. Your ass is fucking big.
What's up? I don't know.
At this time, we ask that you please remove the safety restraint and carefully exit bumper car. Please do not stand or step on the bumper tubes while exiting the bumper car. Please make your way to the exit and enjoy your visit here at Golf.
Yeah. That was so funny, bro. It is slow. It feels faster in a minute.
And bigger.
Not too bumpy.
Yeah.
Nice.
But like at first you do feel like nervous and shit. Like that's how I was. But then like after you drive for a little bit, you're just chilling, you know?
Yeah. Cause when I drive, I'd be nervous still.
Oh, you been driving now?
No, not driving, but like when I come to go practice with them, I'd be fucking nervous too, driving on the main road.
Yeah, I was hella nervous on the freeway.
Oh, I didn't get to drive that yet.
Honestly, it's so much more chill than the actual road.
I think it's easier because you're just going straight.
Yeah, pretty much.
No turn, no nothing.
Yeah, it's chill. But I mean, once you get used to it, or like once you like drive more and more, you'll be more chilling. Bruh, this view is so nice, bruh. Bro, this shit's so nice. You want a picture?
Where?
Of you?
I'm gonna look good today.
Nah, I mean, if you want it, bro.
Do I look good?
Hell yeah, you always look good. Here you go.
Right here?
Yeah, just go right there, bruh. Wait, let me do some wide angles too.
I don't get. Oh, bro, look at the drop, bro. Look at the drop. Imagine falling from this shit, bro.
Oh hell yeah, get together. I'm just keep moving or whatever. I'm gonna take hella.
Wheel. Fucking stuck ass wheels. Who?
Just get those Dispo wheels, bro.
No, I need them ASAP. Oh, Ron.
ASAP, Rocky?
I think that's where we stopped when we came to buy this fool's Miata though.
You guys drove all the way up there?
Oh fuck that. That's front, bro. That's front. That's front. Let's go off.
Fuck no, bro.
You don't want to go off? You don't want to go off? God damn, bro. This shit looks scary.
God.
Low-key scary looking, huh?
Yeah, I'll get anxiety driving right here.
To fucking be chilling, bro.